Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss some of the setting sprays. So I have selected one from each category of pricing, one luxury, one mid-range and one super affordable drugstore range. So let's begin. First, I think some of you might have guessed from the packaging itself. It's the Urban Decay All Nighter. For many makeup artists, this is their cult favorite and it's always in their vanity. As a professional makeup artist, this is like one of the dream come true for us, because a lot of clients have this complain about that the makeup kind of wears off when they start sweating just a little bit, or even with a little bit of hot flashes the makeup starts getting a little bit patchy. But with this spray, it gets all locked in. You will not face temperature related issues, and it has been especially mentioned on their packaging that it's all day wear, lightweight, temperature control technology. So temperature control technology here directly means that even if you are too cold, it won't go dry. If you are too hot, it won't let your makeup budge, right? So Urban Decay All Nighter Spray it is. Next comes a mid-range, and this product is amazing. For this kind of range, right, it comes under like what they have an I got it in sale, but the MRP here it mentioned is 1150 and I got it under 500. So if you want to know how, comment down below and I'll let you know. But coming on to the topic, this is the Super Dewy Revolution Setting Spray, and this spray gives such a beautiful dewy finish to your makeup. It melts all the powders in, gets it all out together, and this has very fine particles of shimmer, but not chunky shimmer, like beautiful glowy shimmer, and it certainly elevates your makeup to the top. So this is the mid-range option, and next we come on to the affordable range one. Can anyone guess how much this setting spray is worth? Can you just look at the Liquid Glow, and it's also called the Liquid Glow, which products dupe this is, and if you can, one from me free to you, and but only applicable for the first person. Let's see, you can comment down below your guess and we'll see how your makeup knowledge is. But anyways, coming on to the main point, this glow in a bottle, this is such a good drugstore product. It comes under rupees 500. Can you, oh, I just gave it away. It comes under rupees 500, and this setting spray makes your makeup really long lasting. It gives it that dewy finish, and it certainly melts all your makeup. It's not that long lasting, like it can lock your makeup in for around, I guess, 6 to 7 hours. And I think for personal use, and for if you are a guest at a party and you don't need to stay for the extended hours, but you need that kind of a glow in a budget, this setting spray should be the go-to for you. And this comes in a 100 ml package, and you can see how beautiful the shimmer. You certainly need to kind of shake it a lot, and then this comes out. So these were my favorites from the three ranges. You guys let me know if you want to explore more setting sprays, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.